Hey YouTube, and welcome back to our channel. If you've not done so already, click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and head over to our Instagram and give us a follow. This video was sent to us by Michelle in Spain. Michelle is a member of our members area and regularly cooks meals from our high protein recipe pack. If you'd like to get your hands on some amazing recipes, head over to our website and you can even send us in some videos. I'll leave all the links in the description below.